Thinking about upgrading your cooling system? Let's break down the cost comparison between mini split installation and central AC installation. Mini splits are usually more affordable if you're cooling just one or two rooms. They're also energy efficient and avoid the cost of ductwork, but if you need multiple indoor units, the price can climb. Central AC often costs more upfront, especially if ductwork is needed, but it's designed for whole home comfort, which can make it more cost effective in larger homes. At Gutierrez Brothers HVAC, we offer free estimates and help you choose the right system that fits your budget and comfort needs. For more HVAC tips and informative videos, please follow us, like, and share this video.